Hey, it's Ethan here with Absolute Mortgage with a quick 8-step guide to the home loan process. Step number 1. The first step to the mortgage process is completing an application. There are a few different ways to apply. Most like the ease of using my secure online application, but I always prefer either an in-person appointment or a phone appointment. Ultimately, it's up to you. This online application takes about 5 minutes to complete, and a typical phone or in-person meeting is at least 20 minutes or so. The second step is to send in your income documentation. This gives your loan officer the information they need to determine how much you may be able to afford. Some common documents that may be requested are your most recent pay stubs and your W-2s or tax returns for the last 2 years. The third step is to select the program that best suits your situation. Once you are pre-approved, your loan officer should share program information and determine one that fits your specific situation. The fourth step is to solidify your budget. Now that you know what program you're using, your loan officer should share monthly payment, down payment, and closing cost estimates with you. This way, when you're shopping for a home, you know exactly what to expect for monthly payments and upfront costs. The fifth step depends on how soon you want to move. If you're looking to move in the next 60 days, this is when you begin the underwriting process. During this process, you and your loan officer will organize and gather any and all paperwork that is needed to submit your completed loan application to an underwriter. An underwriter will then make a final loan decision. This way, you don't have to guess on whether or not you'll be approved once you find a house. Now, not all mortgage companies offer this service, so ask your loan officer if pre-underwriting is an option for you. Step 6 is to find a house. Some families go through the paperwork and underwriting process first, and others don't. Once you find a home, your loan officer will get you through underwriting for a final loan approval, as well as order an appraisal to determine the value of that property. Step number 7. Once step 6 is complete, your loan officer will then issue your final loan documents to sign at an escrow office. It's important that these docs reflect the same information and numbers you were quoted in the beginning. Once these documents are signed, you are committed to the mortgage and the loan is funded. The very last step is closing. Once the loan is funded, the escrow company will coordinate the final closing. This is when the county records you as the new homeowner and you are issued your keys and the celebration begins. If you'd like to get the process started, you just need to reach out. See my contact info below.